Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's machine and equipment rental management application. It, stream, it streamlines your entire rental process in Odoo. You can easily rent machines or tools by hour, day, week, or month with automated invoicing and delivery. You can extend or replace the rental items anytime with the email reminders for order expiry. A perfect solution for hired lease and equipment rental business. So for the first step here, I have already configured the database and I'm navigate to the sales module, and under the rental you will find option for rental product. So here you can see I have created one rental product, and for the first you have to track the inventory by the lot number or serial number. Now you can find one option for rental information. So here under the rental information you can set up the rent as per your need: monthly, weekly, daily, or hourly. After that I'm going to the rental and selecting the rental orders. So here you can see the one rental order we have already created for the same. So for the first you have to add the invoice, customer name, everything. After that you have to add the start and the end date and the rental bill frequency date. After that, if you want to print the rental order, you just have to navigate to the rental orders, and here I'm selecting one rental order and click on this action button, and you will find one option for rental order print. You can see our rental order is successfully printed. After that I'm just going to the settings, and under the technical you will find one option for server action. So if you want to add the reminder for the mail, like for the rental subscription, it will automatically send a mail to the customer. So you can also create from here. So for that you just have to click on this, and here you can select the rental order and you just have to save it, and the mail is automatically sent to the customer according to their subscription of the rental. Now I'm search for the emails. So from here you can see the rental reminder is generated and it will deliver now. So this is how you can automate the email reminder for the customers. So here I'm just going to create the new rental order and selecting the customer, and after that you have to enter the total rental duration. Here I'm adding for 2 days and setting up the starting date as a 12 November, so end date will be fetched automatically according to the 24 hours. After that we have option for the invoice type. If you want to pay for the invoice for the full, so you can do, otherwise we have option for the split. After that if you want any agreement, so you can check, so you can click on this checklist and you have to select the price list and the warehouse. After that I'm selecting the product, and if you want to add the saleable product, you just click on this add line and you can select the same. And if you want to apply the taxes, you can select the same, and I'm just going to save it. So here you can see taxes are applied. After that, I'm just going to save it and click on the confirm. So here you can see three new smart buttons are generated. If you want to close the rental, replace the product, or you want to extend or renew the same, you can select accordingly. If I'm click on the extend or renew, so you can see the wizard will open and you can select the days and terms you want to add it. Here I'm extending for the 10 days and select the same. So here you can see the amount will update it and our rental order is also extended. If you want to replace the product, so you have to click on this and you can select the product you want to replace. And you just have to click on this replace button. After that, I'm just going to delivery. After that, if you want to close the rental, you have to click on this close rental button and you can see the stage is moved for the rental order. So now I'm just going with the inventory module, and under the products you will find the lots and serial number. So here you can see the history of the products which we have created, and you can track the products by the rental order we have done. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, put them on the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.